Hello guys, it's only me again. Just going to do a quick vid. So it's only a couple of padlocks. I'm going to try and pick a few today. It's more based for new people coming onto the forum, and obviously giving other people things to think about as well. Okay, so here we go, get on with it. First one is a master, number 1. So we'll have a go at picking that. See what it's like. It's only a 4-pin, the key's by there, 4-pin lock. I mean, it's not too cheap a lock, but put the pick in, have a feel around. Oops, see, no joy. Give it a little bit of a rake. There we go. So did you see what I did? Had to play around with the pins, give it a quick flick with the rake, and it opened. And when I say a rake, it's not a rake, this is just a normal half round pick. Okay, next one is another master lock. Don't ask me why they're all masters, it's just where I've bought them from. That's what they sell. Same again, insert the tension tool, apply a little bit of tension, insert the pick, and have a little feel around for the pins. Sometimes you feel them engaging, sometimes the lock will open. Usually I can open these quite quickly, but obviously, as people know, when you make videos things don't always go to plan. There we go, quick flick rake again, open. This one's a Master Pro Series 6830. It's quite an expensive lock when I bought it. It's got interchangeable barrel. It's got 5 pins in here, and I'll explain about these after. The keyway on it is a bit sloppy, so that makes it a bit more difficult to pick. Again, insert the pick into the lock to start feeling the pins, and obviously you can start feeling what is going on. This one might take a little bit longer, but I will explain why after. There we go, open. Okay, this one again, nice big beefy lock. All us blokes like playing with big beefy locks. So again, it's the same cylinder as that. It's a 5-pin cylinder. I might not be able to open this one, but we'll see. If we can, it's a winner. Obviously you can see it is locked. Insert the pick, and again just gently have a feel through the pins. Tension is such a key in these because the barrels are so loose, and for someone who's just starting off in lock picking, they apply too much tension and you're just hitting a brick wall all the time. So tension really is the key. And so all you others out there, I'm not teaching a granny how to suck eggs, I'm just trying to help. Oh, there we go, open. Okay, give the shackle a pull, job done. Right, I will lock them all up. That's what I put the keys here for, just to prove to you all. I know you do believe me. Okay, they're not rigged or anything. this one. Also this one. Turn the key, pull this one, because there we go. I had a bit of an accident with that to drill it out and replace the barrel. But as you can see, they're genuine locks. This one fits this one. Won't open it, and vice versa. Same with this one. Doesn't open that one. Same as this one, doesn't open that one. Just got to do it, guys, sometimes, just so people don't think that things are rigged. So if you bear with me 1 second now, I will show you what's inside these two locks here. Right, sorry about that. That's a problem of being a one-man production crew. Right, what I'm going to tell you now is, I'll let you know about, is I think in these two locks, because they're only 4 pin, there's only one security pin in these locks. So I don't know whether that's true or not. You know, someone could let me know. You know, maybe start discussion on the forum. But in these two locks here, I know for a fact there's 5 pins and 4 of them are security pins. And that's what I'm going to show you now. So if you bear with me a minute, I'll try and manipulate the camera. Right, there they are, laid down there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Right, so you have to bear with me, gents. Sorry. Now I realise how good Chris is with his camera. Alright, I hope you can see that. But what we got here is a good demonstration. I won't really try not to touch them because they'll move. But the first one here, obviously, is a serrated pin. It's got 2 little indents in there, so obviously as you're trying to pick it, it catches and gives you a false set. The other 3, we know these ones, they're spool drivers or spool pins, and the last one is just the old standard pin. Okay, I hope that's given you some information anyway, guys. I mean, obviously there's a lot of you out there who do know this already, and I'm not teaching you how to suck eggs, but I'm just trying to help the new people out there. Key Muncher out for now. Thank you. UKBumkeys.com.